Hello everyone, today we're exposing Ozak AI, a crypto token presale promising massive returns through AI-powered financial intelligence. With aggressive marketing claiming your $1,000 could become $80,000, is this a legitimate investment or a dangerous crypto scam? Let's expose the truth. So Ozak AI markets itself as an AI-powered platform for predictive financial analytics, combining DeFi with AI trading signals. Currently in pre-sale at around 1 cent per token, they claim that when the token hits $1, early investors could see 8,233% returns. They offer a $1 million giveaway, boast partnerships with Python Network and Dex3, and claim to be audited by Certicate and Sherlock for security. Here's the alarming reality. Multiple fraud investigation platforms have flagged Ozak AI as highly suspicious. Scam Advisor gave it a very low trust score, noting it uses registrar facilities, also used by many scam websites. The website has been flagged as suspicious based on over 40 data points analyzed by their algorithm. Some critical red flags. First, zero regulatory oversight. Ozak AI is not registered with any major financial authority like FCA, SEC, ASIC, or CFTC. This means that no official body checking their claims or protecting your investment. If they disappear with your money, you have zero legal recourse. Second, unrealistic profit promises. The claim that $1,000 could become $80,000 is classic ICO presale scam language. Legitimate crypto projects provide realistic expectations and detailed white papers, not guaranteed life-changing returns. Third, manipulated countdown timers. Multiple scam alert sites report that Ozak AI uses artificial countdown timers that reset to create false urgency. This is a hallmark tactic of crypto presale scams designed to pressure you into investing before you do proper research. Fourth, lack of verifiable team information. Scam investigation sites note that there is insufficient transparency about who actually runs Ozak AI. Legitimate crypto projects have public teams with LinkedIn profiles, verified identities, and industry credentials. Fifth, the tokens might be worthless or non existent. ICO presale scams often promise tokens that either never got issued or have zero actual value once launched. The fake dashboard might show you a token balance, but you'll never be able to sell or withdraw. How does this scam work? You invest during the presale, excited about a potential 82 times returns. The platform shows your token balance growing on the dashboard, making it look legitimate. They might even let you withdraw a tiny amount early to build trust. Then they pressure you to invest more with limited time bonuses and referral rewards. Eventually, one of two things will happen. Either the website shuts down completely and disappears with all funds, or the tokens launch but are completely worthless and can't be sold on any real exchange. Either way, your money is gone. The final verdict, Ozak AI is almost certainly a scam. Multiple independent fraud investigation platforms have flagged it. It has zero regulatory oversight, uses classic scam tactics like manipulated timers, and makes impossible profit promises. This follows the exact playbook of ICO pre-sale scams that have stolen billions from victims. If you want to invest in crypto, stick to established products with transparent teams, regulatory compliance, and listings on major exchanges. Don't gamble your money on anonymous pre-sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.